Ayuda! Ayon sa source, may dinner ngayon ang Pamilya Mariano at Pamilya Pangilinan to celebrate ang kanilang natatanggap na awards ni Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano ngayong 2024. Hakot awards talaga ang lovers at ayon sa Marites, madami na ngang bumabati na directors, kapwa artista nila at mga kapita-pitagang nilang bosses. Don Bell is getting more and more non-stop recognitions. Your love, passion, and hard works and excellence in your crafts deserve to be known and be recognized. Congratulations!